Hello, hello, good morning. National Women's Day, and here we have some girls. They'll tell us their names and what they're doing here. Welcome.
Thank you. My name is Lilian Njogu, an entrepreneur. I'm happy to be here. I do samosas. I sell samosas to clients. So if you want samosas, you can link me up. You can link up with me. And I'm happy to be here because I want to learn more about networking and how to market my products online. Yeah, I know I'll come out with very good results from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for those who are not Indians or Africans, can you tell them what samosa is made of?
So it's made of beef. I do beef and also vegetables. And by the way, people who are not from Kenya, who just but I do beef. There's some who want chicken. Depends on the preference of the client. Yes. There you go. By the way, I sell samosas to people outside.
To be continued.
Okay.